Welcome to another vlogmas. I'm currently getting ready to go shoot some pictures. Today's a shoot day, so we're gonna do that. If you watched my first vlogmas, you remember me showing you this little bag and the two rare beauty items that I got. I've been resisting the urge to try these two products because I promised a review, so here we are. If it looks good, then I'm gonna look good in my pictures. I'm gonna put my hair back. Oh my gosh, I look like an egg. I'm excited. I hope this works because I don't feel like redoing my makeup at all. For my base right now, I just did the usual skincare routine. For the concealer, here's the thing. I actually don't wear foundation much, only when I'm probably only when I'm shooting, which is today. But for my day-to-day, I usually grab my favorite concealer, which is either the Josie Marin one or the ILIA beauty one. And I dab it all over my face and just blend it in the spots that I need to. My skin is actually doing pretty good lately, so I feel like I don't need foundation. I'm gonna try doing that trick that I usually do with the concealer. That's exactly what I got it for, so let's use it for that. I have some pretty strong maskne going on right here, and I know why, because I went thrifting and I wore this face mask. I started noticing that the fabrication of the face mask that I'm using has a lot to do in whether I get breakouts or not. So I actually ordered this really cute one from Etsy. I showed it on my stories. I haven't tried it on yet because I haven't been out since I got it, but I'm hoping that that new one is like a little, it's like the fabric is a little more soft, so there's no friction. So I'm hoping that one doesn't affect my skin. But let's start covering up those masking points actually. So oh my gosh. Ooh. It's super easy to blend. Oh my goodness, this is a dream to blend. Also color matching, yes. Wow, that's pretty good. I am impressed. Okay, let's do the actual face. I am so excited because that went really well. It seems like a little bit goes a long way because that is some heavy concealing right there. I don't know if I should blend this with my fingers, which I usually do, or like a sponge. Well, I got a lot just from that one dip in the applicator. Like that's probably enough for my face. Oh, should I do it with a brush? Let's try with a brush. So doing it here. That's, wow. Wow. This is an amazing concealer. What the hell? I am so happy. Wow, I think I found my new go-to. This makes me so happy because what I want is easy. I just want a concealer that I can dab and it will always look good, won't give me a hard time blending. I mean, we'll see how it works through the day, but so far I think you need to get it. It's so good. And it's not heavy at all either. Gosh, do I even want to put more? Probably definitely like on my breakouts or any spots that need help. Actually, a little bit of lip balm. This is one of my favorite lip balms. As you can tell, I'm about to finish it. I might want to get their foundation. Like if their concealer is this good. I just don't like caking up with foundation, even though I know I just caked up my face with concealer. I'm gonna dab with my fingers, but let me try the sponge now. I haven't really done much research as far as ingredients in these products. Like I mentioned, the two concealers I usually do on the daily are Josie Marin and ILIA Beauty, which are both brands that are skincare based makeup or makeup made skincare, whatever you want to call that. So I usually don't do like regular stuff. I have a lot of skin issues and I'm just trying to do like the best products whenever I can, but oh my gosh, I am so impressed with this. I guess now it's time to try. I'm so nervous for this one. The blush. This is, oh yeah, I didn't even say this. I got the concealer in the shade 190W. I'm not fair. I'm light with very warm undertones, and for me, having a warm undertone is key. I really dislike pink undertones. Like that is my pet peeve in makeup on my skin. This one is perfect in like the shade. Wow. Okay, so the blush, I got it in the shade Joy, which like I said when I showed my haul, I really like the way it looked on Selena Gomez. She has pale skin, dark hair, just like I do. And for this one, I'm using this brush. I think it's supposed to be like a bronzer brush, but this is the most similar one I had compared to like the one that I've seen her use in the videos. I'm just trying to make sure I use the right thing. I'm nervous because I heard a little bit goes a long way. So here we go. I'm nervous. I don't want to mess this up. Let's start with that. Okay. Pretty. Damn, these products are so easy to blend. Like this. They blend so fast. I'm gonna do another tiny dot on the other cheek. Is that about the same? Oh, yep, that's a lot. but it looks so nice once it blends. So let me do a little bit more on this side. I really like it. I hope it lasts. There's nothing worse than putting like a fresh blush and looking the best, but then at the end of the day it's just like it's gone. If you want a blush that lasts all day, by the way, NARS is, I know they're expensive, but I think that's why they really last forever. I like to get them during sales at Sephora because they're expensive. I think I could do a tiny bit more, just like the tiniest little bit. Once it blends, it's not as intense. I love the color of it though. Ooh, she cute. Like right now, if I just do my brows and my lashes, that's a look. 2 products got me this. Wow. First impressions on these two, 10 out of 10. I actually haven't watched a single review video online on YouTube. I know there's a billion out there, just because I didn't want to get influenced by other people's opinions. I think after this, I'm gonna go watch other people's reviews and see if they all love it as much as I do, because I'm impressed. Selena, you did a great thing. As if she's watching. So brows, I uploaded actually a tutorial yesterday to my Instagram on how I get my bushy brows. This is Glossier's Brow Flick in the shade brown, and I just give myself little hairs. Now gonna seal my brows. One thing I do have to say is good about bangs. You don't ever have to worry about your lashes, about your brows. I just realized I'm a terrible YouTuber. Here is what it looks like zoomed in. You're gonna see all my breakouts, just for you to see the blush. It's also pretty dewy. Can you see that? And I didn't even put highlighter on, so this is what it looks like. We love. I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. No spoon curling today for my lashes because I actually saw a TikTok recommending this mascara, L'Oreal Telescopic. Last time I follow a TikTok recommendation for the mascara, I discovered my favorite mascara ever, which is the Maybelline Falsies. Not the old school one, but the newest one. It's like a silver and purple packaging. I've been using the Telescopic for a little bit. Found that it looks better when I don't curl it with a spoon. So a little bit interesting to work with it, because if you haven't seen it, the wand is so thin. I would say if you have volume but you don't have length, you'll like it. And you know, our lashes go through phases. You lose some lashes here and there are times when I'm going through that cycle of growing new lashes that I have very little ones. So I wouldn't use this mascara when I'm going through that, because if you don't have enough, it will show. Like I said, it just gives you length but not necessarily volume. So right now I have all my lashes. I swear to God, sometimes I had a couple spots with no lashes, and this one, let me just tell you, does not look good. Keep that in mind. I realized I like switching up my mascaras depending on like what cycle my lashes are. A tip that I found out helps a lot, I need to do it again, I haven't done it in a while, is when I would take off my eye makeup, which is usually just mascara. I don't regularly use eyeshadow or anything. I would just take a good old jar of coconut oil, like the one from Trader Joe's. That's how I would remove my mascara at night. You just like scoop it with your finger, put it on your eyes, and rub it until it melts, and then rinse it up with hot water. And when I was doing that, my lashes were growing so strong, so voluminous. I'm sure there's a lot of benefits with coconut oil on your lashes. And if you're trying to grow them out, the best thing I've ever tried is castor oil. It makes them grow. Do you see how good that one looks though? It's so pretty. I love it. Wow, that is pretty. And I've said this a billion times, but I'm gonna say it one more time. The trick to get the best lashes, get messy, get all the way in there, go cover all of them, back, front, side, every angle possible, cover them. Obviously no clumps, brush them out. And I will never use or recommend a mascara that's clumpy. So whatever you ever see me use, rest assured that it's not gonna give you clumps, and just clean them up at the end. Like, that's the only way to get the best lashes. Don't worry about the mess. Just got done getting ready. We're gonna go shoot now. I'm gonna show you, it's a mess. Over here is 4 outfits, 1, 2, 3, 4. That coat couldn't fit in it. I'm currently wearing what I'm going to shoot first, which is those 3 accessories that I just need to put on. We just got to downtown Nashville, and we are going currently through literally brought our jar to count our coins, because here actually you can't pay with car in the meters, which is like so old school. This is the spot where we're gonna park at. Actually, we're gonna shoot more down there. Hi, it is much later in the day. I obviously didn't take you with me. We had some technical difficulties while shooting. My camera just did not, like the memory card was for some reason dead. It didn't want to work out. We actually only end up shooting 2 outfits and then we're gonna shoot the rest tomorrow. The reason why I'm here is to give you an update on the makeup and how I've been liking it so far. I think you can tell blush is pretty much still on. It's already like 7 p.m. and I put it on around noon, so it's been on for 7 hours or so. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Usually by this time, most of my makeup products are gone from my face. Also, lashes are so going strong right now. TikTok at it again, getting us to buy those products. You guys were asking about what I did to my lashes. So I was like, great, because I filmed that today, which is what you're watching right now. I just got done filming a little bit of an unboxing on my stories. I like to do a little unboxing series there every once in a while, showing everything that I got in PR. So currently finishing cleaning up my room. That is the end of today's vlogmas. A little bit different. Hope you guys enjoyed the little makeup tutorial review. Everything that I showed you this morning, highly recommend. I'm gonna link them in the description box down below for you and put any shade details in case you missed it. But that's it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending another day with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, obviously, if you want to. But I would absolutely love to have you join my little community and get to know each other more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!